Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial named called Covert Channels using the Covert TCP. So, network use a network access control permission to permit or deny the traffic following through them. Tunneling is used to bypass the access control rules of firewalls, IDs and IPs and web proxies. To allow a certain traffic, covert channels can be created by inserting a data into an unused fields of protocol headers. There are many unused or misused fields in TCP or IP, which data can be sent to bypass the firewalls. So, to cover the TCP program manipulates the TCP or IP header of the data packets to send a file one byte at a time from any host to a destination. It can act like a server as well as a client and can be used to hide the data transmitted inside the IP header. This is useful when bypassing a firewalls and sending a data with legitimate looking packets that contains a no data for sniffers to analyze. As a professional ethical hacker or a penetration tester must understand how to carry a cover traffic inside the unused fields of the TCP and IP address. So here we would like to utilize the two machines. One is with Kali Linux, another one is an Ubuntu. So these are my two machines. So here uh, now we would like to open the terminal here. I just open the terminal. So I just make it big. So you just make a little bit big. So you just type make here as a directory as a set. Now we just type plus. So I have my a code.tcp.c. So I just need to move to in this send folder. Okay. Now we just type here as a move. Let me paste it here. So I just move the file now. Now you can see here no have. So now just go to a send folder. Now just type here. Now just type this minus here. So here I have a cover TCP file. Now using with a cover TCP file. So I would like to write my a secret type of message. So I just need to write here my secret message is like echo TCP Alex subscriber. Uh, so I would like to write here TCP Alex. So please subscribe. So I just write here as a message.txt. That's it. Now I just type here as cat message.txt. So PCPL Alex, please subscribe. So where I have got it here. Now we would like to do here. Now we have our cover.tcp everything here. Now we just utilize here cc minus o for output is a covert underscore a TCP. Then you just type here as this one a covert TCP dot c. Just copy. Then let me paste it here. That's it. So where which was covered here. Now we would like to switch back to uh, here to another targeted machine. So once we come to here and another targeted machine. So I would like to open here a terminal. Same thing. Now here I just come back here. Now just type here as clear. Now just type this minus here. So here I have a code.tcp.c. That's great. Now we would like to look here. So I just type here as clear. Now we would like to. So here I just type here as TCP add uh, minus nvxx port So before I'm going to here, so I just type here as a sudo su, enter your password. Now just type here is, we just type here as tcp dom minus nvxx. Port is 8888 minus IL0. That's it. So it was a listening Ethernet stack. Okay. Now you just need to leave it this one like this. Now we would like to, we have opened already one tab here. So we would like to come back here. Now you just type here as a make directory as a receive folder. So we would like to receive from uh, Kali Linux to Ubuntu any type of secret files or destination or communications. Now we just type here as list. So I have here a covert TCP, so just copy this part. Now I just type here as move a covert.tcp to home here. Then you just type here as a receive. So now just type here as cd a receive. Now just type plus minus here. So here also we have the same. So once we have here the same thing, now we would like to try here as the same thing. Now let's come back here. So what else we have done here? The same a similar way. So just copy this one. Now let's come back here. So let me paste it. So it's not allowing to paste something. So I just write here as cc uh, output for a covert underscore TCP. Then this one. That's it. And we have pasted here. That's it. So it shows a version. So we just need to install a GCC. So you just install this all first. Enter your password. It's right. Yes. So we just need to look first any type of errors here. So it may in Kali Linux there is no error to install this one. So now let's come back here. I think it was done. I just type here as here. Now we just try here. That was done. So where we have successfully done here. Now to start a listener, now we just need to know our targeted IP address. So first we would like to go to our Kali Linux. Now I just open new tab. You just type here as I have config. This is my Kali Linux IP address. So now let's come back here. Now we just type here as a sudo su. So when we come to here directly, now we just type here as a covert underscore a TCP, then our destination IP. Destination, so I just put here as error. A destination is 192.168.18.a72. So this is my IP address. So I just type here as I have config. This is my IP address. So let me close this. And from the destination, and I would like to get from a source is your Kali Linux IP address. 192.168.18.67. That's it. Then you just type here as a source port. So I just put a source port is 9999, and you just put here as a destination port is 8888. Then from a server, and file. Just need to write where our file need to save. Home is here. Then we just type here as a receive, and we just type here as uh, uh, like a secret dot txt. That's it. Now, server mode is listening the data right now. That's it. So now we just need to open a new tab. We just try here as a sudo a wireshark, enter your password. So it is in ENS S3. So you just leave it this one now. So you don't need to manipulate anything else from here. So you just close this. Now our next target is, so now let's come back here. So we just type here as a list minus a. So where we have all everything here. Now just type list minus a. So we would like to utilize here a covert underscore a TCP. Now we would like to use a destination is 192.168.18.72, and source is 192.168.18.67. Now and you just type here as a source port equal to 9999. So I would like to hear what is the source port. Source port is 9999. Yes. So let's come back here. So source port is I would like to put here as a double eight double eight. That's great. And you just write here as destination double nine. That would, so from a source port and destination port. That's it. So where we are receiving this one. Okay. Now let me like try here as without error. Now we would like to type here. So we are going to send a file. Here is home, then just club, then you just type it as send, then you just type it as the message.atx. So you just need to run this one on the root. So you just type sudo su, enter your password. Now we just entirely just copy. Now let me paste it here. Now it was sending the data. Now we would like to look also here. It was receiving the data in the same time. So what else? There is a message that was getting all the information instantly. That's it. Now I can look here also where this Wireshark. Now I can look here. where the data which was coming through an TCP, you can look here, you just type here as only filter the TCP. You can look where the data transmission control protocol. It was displaying all the data. So you can look here what is the data is coming. So where it was a receive. That's it. So you can manipulate anything else here. Like you can send a file data, otherwise some type of file, some type of etc. things that will be received and saving one of the destination port. That's it. So everything in one place. So where I have utilized here to send a message.txt. In the message file which I was created, a PCPL, Alex, and subscribe. So where that was I was sent, that was received in the event 2. And I would like to show you here. In Wireshark, we have capture started and capture is started. Capture started in the TCP term and capture start and started file with the temporary the Wireshark. So NS33 that was correct. Now a TCP dump the file snapshot length we have got it here. So where it was got already. So now we would like to quit this. Now let's come back here. Now just type clear. Now just type here as list minus here. Now just type here as cat a secret.txt. We can see here PCPL Alex, please subscribe. So in a network, any type of messages in this way, TCP IP, they are transferring from one IP address to another IP address, any type of data in a fraction of seconds. That's it. So this you can demonstrating of coverting the TCP IPs. So coverting TCP changes the header and TCP packets and replace it once the character at a time with a character of a string in order to send the message without being detected also. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.